Hi, in this tutorial we'll view how to add a time zone using the web interface of the WIN-PAK web software. We'll begin by opening our web interface and logging in. Then we'll go under the tab that says Time Schedule. And then we'll see the possibility to add a name for our new time zone. In this case, we'll go ahead and use Office. The description, we can set up a description of what this time zone is. Then we'll go ahead and select the day of the week that we want to set up a schedule for. In this case, we'll select Monday. And we'll select our start time and end time. Once we have those settings, we'll go ahead and click Add, and we'll view that one segment of time was added under the Monday day. If we want to replicate it to all days of the week, we can click where it says Copy to Weekdays, and we'll see that that period of time was added all the way to the Friday. To save this, just go ahead and click where it says Save, and we'll now view that our new time zone has been added to the list. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage, HoneywellDiscoverTraining.com.